How to use voice changer on Discord mobile. So in order to use your voice changer, you need to head over to your Play Store and search in here for Voice Mod Soundboard. Install this app and click on Open. So from in there, what you can do is you can head over and then just open the application. And then you can choose in here some actual voices that you can get. For example, right here, let's choose in here this DJ Toenail. You can see that they also have Plankton as well as a lot of people right here. We also have in here ice cream, so let's choose this one and click on share. And as you can see, it's now preparing to share. So just wait for this all together. Now, once you're done with all of those, head over to your Discord, click on the settings icon, and then scroll down until you can find the voice option. You can see in here the input mode, so click on this. Make sure to choose instant voice activity. We also have in here the noise suppression as well as echo cancellation. So what you can see is you can just change the input and output into the voice mode option in order to use that. So that's how you use voice changer on Discord mobile. Hope we helped.